Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to check your mail server and port settings for POP, IMAP, and SMTP in Outlook. Knowing these settings is very important when setting up your email on a new device or troubleshooting email connection issues. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Outlook in your browser. Go to outlook.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you are inside Outlook, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. A full settings window will appear on the screen. On the left side panel, click on Mail. Under the Mail section, scroll down and click on Forwarding and IMAP. This page contains the POP, IMAP, and SMTP configuration settings for your Outlook account. The second thing is to locate the POP and IMAP section. On the Forwarding and IMAP page, scroll down until you see a section called POP and IMAP. Here, you will see toggle options called Let Devices and Apps Use POP and Let Devices and Apps Use IMAP. These options allow third-party email applications to connect to your Outlook account. Below these options, click on View POP, IMAP, and SMTP settings. A new window or page will appear showing the incoming and outgoing server information for your Outlook account. The third thing is to check the POP server settings. In the POP section, you will find the information needed for POP email connections. The POP server address for Outlook is outlook.office365.com. The POP port number is 995. The encryption method is SSL/TLS. POP is commonly used when you want to download emails directly onto a single device. The fourth thing is to check the IMAP server settings. On the same settings page, look for the IMAP section. The IMAP server address for Outlook is outlook.office365.com. The IMAP port number is 993. The encryption method is SSL/TLS. IMAP is the recommended option because it keeps your email synchronized across multiple devices, including phones, tablets, and computers. The fifth thing is to check the SMTP settings. SMTP is the outgoing mail server used for sending emails from your Outlook account through other email applications. In the SMTP section, you will see the SMTP server address, which is smtp.office365.com. The SMTP port number is 587. The encryption method is StartTLS. These settings are required whenever you configure Outlook email in desktop mail apps or mobile email clients. The sixth thing is to enable POP or IMAP access if needed. On the Forwarding and IMAP page, turn on the toggle switch next to Let Devices and Apps Use POP if you want to allow POP access. You can also enable IMAP access using the IMAP toggle option. After enabling the settings, click Save if the option appears on your screen. That's all there is to it. By checking your POP, IMAP, and SMTP server and port settings in Outlook, you can easily connect your email account to different devices and applications while keeping everything synchronized and working correctly. If this tutorial helped you out, please like and subscribe for more easy Outlook tutorials. See you in the next one.